Come here. Don't give me attitude. Look at it. It's a prank. Hi guys. Ang oras karon kay 12:25 AM. Ang isa na pa sa work. Ako siyang gitawagan kay gutom man ko no. Of course, gutom man Disney princess kailangan nagpagkaon. Nagitawagan ako siya mapalito no baby back ribs with a bone marrow sa night market. Dayon, ako siya prank. Iniguli na toron no ka-charger ko nga di kumukaon kay duwi siya kauli. Magyaw-yaw toron. Basta, get ready for the prank later. Kung sakay ko na toron. Reaksyon.
It's prank time.
동료 심판을 신청했습니다. 이건 심판 결정 시까지 홍창호 회장의 후견인 직무 집행을 정지한다는 사전 처분 결정문입니다.
I think she's here now. I heard the sound of the door.
Why you home so late? What? What do you wake up tomorrow? No, I don't want to wait on the phone.
What's your phone now?
Because you woke up so late. I thought you would be home like 12 something.
Love, of course I'm walking home. I'm buying everything. You need rice, right? No, you buy what you want and then you go on.
Why you pissed?
Because you were saying you're not hungry and
Come here. Come here. Don't give me attitude. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's a prank. Give me my phone. And then it's full storage now. And that's it. Thank you, love. Suko ka. Thank you, love. Disney princess.